Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. Rahul Prajapati this side, and I welcome you all for the morning market brief. Sorry. So let's start with the analysis. First of all, we'll go to the SGX. Okay. So yesterday we have seen a gap down in Nifty, and today we have seen a good gap up, right? So almost more than 1%. So Nifty is right now trading near 17,150. Okay, now let's check the chart of Nifty first. So yesterday we have discussed that market, if market showing a gap down, market can take support around 16,850. That is the line that we have drawn. So that was a good support for the market, and market actually took support at that level. Now it's today is a gap up opening, so somewhere it will opening somewhere here. So this might fill this gap also, right? So that it has created yesterday. Now on the higher side, if we go and check, first of all, if we check this the built up for Nifty, so you can see a bit of short yesterday, okay, but tomorrow, so today's gap up could be a so kind of a double bottom we can see market is making here, right? And if that gap up sustains after that, so probably we can see a reversal from here, probably, most probably, right? Okay, now talking about the levels specifically here. So we can see that 16,900 has added a good, on the put side. 16,500 could be a good support. Now market might be opening with a gap up. So 17,000 will become a good support because highest open interest still at 17,000 on the put side. On the higher side, we can look for 17,200. And then after that, 17,500. So this is the level that we can look for this expiry. Talking about the Bank Nifty. So same happened with the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty dropped towards like 35,500. That was a support we have discussed yesterday, and market took a bounce from that level. Now, if we talk about Bank Nifty on open interest, so yesterday we have seen a good long build up coming up in Bank Nifty. So you can see the absolute change is very heavy on the higher side, right? So could be a chance of reversal, good reversal we can see on the Bank Nifty side. Okay, here if we see 36,000 could be a good support because a lot of put has been added on the lower side, and higher side we are only seeing unwinding happening on the calls. So 36,500 and 37,000 could be expected level on the higher side, right? Probably 37,000 would be a much better level to look for. Now, if we see the contribution from index for last day, 25. So you can see IT sector and IT and oil might be, mostly contributing on the negative side, even on the FMCG, right? Private banks see the good long build up, they are coming up. So the stocks might be going up, right? So that's why we have seen a good long build up in Bank Nifty also. Okay. Now the first stock that we're talking about today is Coal India. So Coal India, is the good choice from last few days, right? So we have seen a good, correction in the stock from 210 level. So it's almost like near 185 level, and it's near a good support. And you will see, since that, even though the stock is showing a good long build up and unwinding only, we haven't seen any short till now in this stock. So probably this profit booking has been done now. Okay. So even the stock takes support, we'll see where it will take support. So the expected level could be here. Even like it should be 185, because even we see the next expiry for this, so we can see good supported 190 also and 180 also. So good addition happening on the next expiry specifically, and for this expiry we are left out with only 2 days. So the good addition happening on the put side for this stock. On the higher side, 200 and 210 level again we can see on the higher side. The structure is positive for Coal India, and 190 is providing a good support. So any gap up opening or probably sustaining above 190 could be providing good support at 190. And even if you look on the downside, 180 could be good support. That's the highest put we are seeing. So Coal India is a bullish stock, even though the stock is corrected a lot. but still these levels are providing a good support, and the structure of the stock is very positive. So we can again, look for long position in the Coal India. Okay, that's the first stock. Second stock is AB Capital. Okay, now if you see the structure of the stock is still, this stock is also bullish. Okay, mostly we are seeing a longs and unwinding, and yesterday we have seen the stock went up even though market was not good. So you see the structure is positive, and this was unwinding and then long build up coming up. So let's see AB Capital. So for this expiry, we can see 115 has been taken out. So this is a this was a good resistance initially. So 115 would be a good support now. Sorry. So 120 is the resistance level that we are facing. So even though if that stock breaks that level, we can see a good momentum coming up on the stock on the higher side. Even on the technical chart, we are seeing that 120 is a good resistance. So let it break 120 and then we can go for a long position in this, right? Okay. The structure is positive. So both the stocks looks positive, right? Okay. If you go and check the ban list, no stock trading in the ban list as of now. Probably we are very near to the expiry. Okay. Now for the summary part, we can see 17,200 is a good support resistance for Nifty as of now. 17,000 and 16,800 is working as a good support. Then we talk about Bank Nifty, 36,500 and 37,000 on the higher side could be a resistance. 36,000 is a good support. Long build up mostly in the private banking stocks, right? IT stocks and oil stocks showed a good short build up. Now talking about the first stock, that is Coal India. So above 190, it's a good stock for 210 and 200 level, 200 and 210 level specifically. 185 or 180 could be a good support, right? EB Capital 120 is a good resistance. Above that, we'll be looking for a long position in AB Capital. 115 is a good support for the stock, right? No stock is trading in a ban list as of. So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.